Hey, this looks very amazing. How you did this in Excel?
It is easy. I will show you how to do that. So first you have to select that cell. After that right click. Here you will get the option new note. Select that option. Note will insert. If you don't want the text, then delete it. If you want to resize the note, keep the mouse pointer on the notes and resize. To insert the picture in the note, keep the mouse pointer on the border. After that right click, format comment, color and line. In fill, click on the drop down arrow, select fill effect, picture, select picture. Now I want the picture from my file. So open your folder, go to pictures, select the folder. Now which picture you want to insert, select the picture and say insert. Here say OK. So you can see the picture will get inserted.